What is BS Marine Engineering? BS Marine Engineering is a college program that focuses on operational, maintenance, and management of ship, engine, and machineries. Its main purpose is to train students to become skilled engineers who ensure that the ship runs safely and efficiently. Students learn how to handle engine systems, troubleshoot problems, and follow maritime safety standards.
What are the possible future careers? Graduates of marine engineering can pursue various careers. They can work as marine engineers on board ships, maintaining and operating engine systems. So with experience, they can become chief engineers. They can also work as shipyard engineers, maritime instructors, or safety officers. These careers offer stability and global opportunities.
What are the perks and advantages? First, it provides strong career opportunities in the maritime industry. Second, it offers a high salary potential compared to other many jobs. Third, it gives chance to travel internationally and experience different cultures. And lastly, it promotes professional growth through continuous learning and advancement.
Hello everyone, I'm Injin Canet Castro. So what skill or knowledge do students learn? So in this program, students gain both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. They study subjects like thermodynamics, marine engines, electrical systems, and ship construction. They also undergo hands-on training, including laboratory work and shipboard experience. This helps them develop problem-solving skills, technical expertise, and teamwork, which are important on board ships.
Grabe. Ito to. Wait, bunyo.